Hello audience. Today I will share with you a topic of recent relevance in context to human resource management, and that is ethics and CSR. Well, let me tell you, this is a very hot topic and of high relevance nowadays in human resource management. So today I will deliberate upon this topic. Well, what is CSR? CSR stands for Corporate Social Responsibility, and it's a continuing commitment by the business to behave ethically and contribute to economic development while sustaining the quality of life. Well, if there are three words, they have different meanings. Corporate means business, the industry. Social means society or the community. And responsibility, as we know, that because business is an important part of society or community, so that is why business or the industry needs to be responsive towards the same. Now, let me take you to ethics. What is ethics? Ethics is one word which is comprising of different themes. It may involve values, norms, honesty, integrity, fairness, responsibility, choice, concise, and your morals. So ethics is one word that involves each and every one of this. Now, moving to the meaning of ethics, what exactly it is? Ethics is also known as moral philosophy, and so it's a branch of philosophy that involves systematizing, defending, and recommending concepts of right and wrong behavior. So in simple terms, ethics is basically a sort of self-judgment on something where we need to make a decision in context to right and wrong behavior. So normally ethics used to have two ways. Either a thing may be right or either it may be wrong. So we need to work upon a particular decision at a particular point of time, and so we need to involve ourselves into decision making. Or we can say making of a choice or option between the existing two important things. Now, business ethics is a very broad topic, and so HR is one part of it. Here, I have made you explain the ethical issues in HR. So these are employee responsibility, cash and compensation plans, performance appraisal, privacy issues, restructuring and layoffs, employment issues, safety and health, and race and disability. So we can say that the ethical issues in HR used to have the effect on all these things. So we can say in simple terms that these are the various concerns where we used to have impact of ethics into HR. So this is required to be understood by all the people who are either freshers looking forward to join the industry, experienced, or senior people. Now, integration between CSR and corporate culture. Well, CSR and corporate culture together make a cloud. How? Because they have an integrative aspect towards work organization, teamwork, contracting parties, involvement of employees, improved image of the company, and more efficient organization of the CSR activities. So there has to be a broad strategy to be developed by the modern and contemporary corporates to involve CSR into their overall corporate culture. And this is required to be followed very seriously, because all the multinational companies and transnational companies, they are considering this option very seriously, and this will have certainly a long-term impact on the customers and the stakeholders. Now, dealing with CSR, the pyramid is having four important phases. The first one is economic responsibility. A business venture is required to be profitable. Then we have legal responsibility. The business or the industry needs to comply with the laws. Then we have ethical responsibility. which is very important. And this ethical responsibility is required to be towards the employees, stakeholders, customers, clients, vendors, and supply agents. And finally, at the apex level, we have philanthropic responsibility, where we need to act like a good corporate citizens. Well, let me tell you that there are very few organizations that used to reach at this level. Usually, the companies used to have their competition towards ethical responsibility sustenance. So that's all from this presentation. I hope you would have gathered a detailed understanding of the meaning of ethics, CSR, value system, norms, and moral values. So thanks a lot for being with me. Wish you all the best and stay safe.